My name's Andrew Dixon and I work here at Whickham Dental Practice. I've been here for about 18 years now. Started off as a vocational trainee and an associate for 3 or 4 years, and then about 13 years ago bought in as a partner, and more recently bought the practice off the other 2 partners, so flying solo now. I chose to use bredent after I was introduced to the system by my dental technician who works with me. After looking at the system, I realised that it was very simple and straightforward to use and fulfilled kind of all the criteria that I look for when looking for a new implant system. My experience working with bredent has been fantastic. Excellent support, there's always someone on the end of the phone, great relationship with the staff on the phone and with Fiona the rep. So overall, 5-star. So I've been using the Sky Fast and Fixed for about 6 months now, and mainly been using that on the same day teeth technique, which has proven to be very simple and straightforward, a lot more simple than what I originally anticipated when I first got into it. So outcomes have been fantastic, patients have been happy, so overall couldn't fault it. I'd recommend bredent because so far I've had absolutely no problems whatsoever with the company and the systems that they provide. I've been really happy with the way the implant system works and the backup you get, and the customer service you get has been second to none.